Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your profile picture in Gmail on your PC. Follow these simple steps to personalize your Gmail account with a new profile picture. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top right corner of your screen, locate and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. On the drop-down menu, click on Edit next to your profile picture. Step 4. At the bottom of the editing window, click on Change. This will allow you to select a new picture for your profile. Step 5. Choose a picture from your computer or device by clicking on the Select a Picture button. Step 6. Once you've selected your desired picture, click on Next to proceed. Step 7. Finally, click on Save as Profile Picture to save the changes and set your new profile picture. By following these steps, you can easily update and personalize your Gmail profile picture on your PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.